Excuse me.
Oh, hi. What can I get you?
I'll have a latte, please.
An Americano?
No, I'll take a latte.
Okay, I'll get you an Americano. Your total is gonna be $34.40.
$30 for a coffee?
It's the future. Introducing the Robotic Barista. Robots are booming with the market expected to hit $74 billion by 2026, growing at 17.45% annually. As automation demands grow, robot makers are expanding their custom services. Often off-the-shelf robots don't meet specific production needs, and custom designs can be tricky. That's where the NexCOBOT GRC comes in. It offers easy-to-configure toolkit with EtherCAT network setup, a user-friendly interface, and open platform development. NexMotion Studio software simplifies the setup process for motors, sensors, and more, making it perfect for both small and large enterprise. The NexTPUI touch interface and the NRPL programming language make robot operation and customization straightforward, helping companies get their robots up and running faster. So here's to the future of coffee, the Robotic Barista.